Industrial sites today are facing an urgent demand for AI-driven operational innovation. Equipment alarms are surging, and failures strike without warning. Data continues to accumulate, yet the root causes remain elusive. OnePredict leads the way in AI transformation, combining deep domain expertise in vibration, frequency, sound, and more with cutting-edge AI, from ML ops and AI ops to deep learning and LLMs. We are setting the standard for industrial AI in Korea. Led by the industry's finest experts, we have represented Korea's industrial AI sector for a decade, proving our excellence through unrivaled technological power. We are expanding the industrial AI ecosystem in partnership with leaders across entire manufacturing plants, as well as in the petrochemical and energy sectors, where AI autonomously operates plants and preempts failures to eliminate risk. This is OnePredict's vision for next-generation manufacturing. An intelligent environment where every process is designed and driven by AI. Cyclone manages everything from data collection and analysis to training, all in one place, to drive the transition to an AI-native factory. While PDX serves as an AI-powered integrated platform for managing industrial asset quality, energy, and equipment processes. Guardione goes beyond simple monitoring, leveraging AI-based multimodal analysis to diagnose over 15 distinct failure modes. From massive turbines and compressors to transformers and motors, we provide 24/7 surveillance of your most critical assets. Experiencing AI-native factories.